Today, we're testing the craziest, most powerful tools you've ever seen, and trust me, they're about to make DIY and pro work insanely easy. From cordless screwdrivers to high-speed grinders, precision routers, and even door lock jigs. These gadgets are small, smart, and seriously powerful. We're talking fast cuts, perfect angles, and zero guesswork, all with tools that are built for speed, precision, and pure domination in any workshop. Let's see which one blows the competition away. This is the SKIL Twist 2.0. At first glance, it looks simple. But twist it, and things get interesting. This is a 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver made for comfort, control, and everyday fixes. The head pivots and locks at 0, 22.5, or 45 degrees, so tight spaces are no longer a problem. You get 3 torque settings to match the power to the task, and 1 finger forward and reverse control for smooth, effortless use. There's a built-in LED light to help you see clearly in dark cabinets and tight corners. Inside is an integrated 4-volt battery that charges via USB-C, simple, modern, and convenient. In the box, you get a 28-piece bit set, a charging cable, and a durable carrying case. The SKIL Twist 2.0, compact, smart, and surprisingly powerful. The Milescraft 1219 Circle Guide Kit is a precision router circle cutting jig designed for smooth, accurate circle routing on a wide range of projects. This versatile router guide cuts small circles from 1.5 inch to 12 and large circles from 10 up to 52 in diameter, making it ideal for signs, tabletops, and decorative work. Both the small and large circle jigs feature built-in metric and imperial scales with easy-to-read windows for precise inside and outside diameter settings. They attach quickly to the turn-and-lock circle guide head for fast setup. The included 13-inch offset base adds stability and control when finishing edges, while the oversized handle improves grip and accuracy. Patented turn-and-lock technology allows quick, tool-free router and guide bushing changes for efficient workflow. This is the Milwaukee M18 Brushless Precision Blower. Built for fast, controlled cleanup, especially in tight, sensitive spaces. Powered by a high-speed brushless motor. It delivers up to 570 miles per hour airspeed and 39 CFM, making quick work of stubborn debris. You get 3 power modes and a variable speed trigger, so airflow stays precise and controlled for every task. In max runtime mode, it runs for over 30 minutes. With an M18XC 5.0 battery, the compact 7-inch design, and 2-pound weight make it easy to handle and reach tight areas. An integrated LED light improves visibility, while interchangeable rubber nozzles and a removable inlet filter add versatility, protection, and long tool life. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Precision Blower. Small tool, serious control. This is the PWR Core 12 Multi-Cutter from SKIL. Compact, lightweight, and built for everyday cutting tasks. Don't let the size fool you, this 12-volt tool delivers smooth, controlled power that slices through carpet, cardboard, cloth, and leather with ease. The secret? A self-sharpening blade that stays ready, cut after cut, so there are no interruptions and no wasted time. It's designed for comfort too. The lightweight build reduces hand fatigue, helping you stay accurate even during longer jobs. Whether you're tackling home projects, renovations, or professional work, this tool keeps things fast, clean, and efficient. Reliable power. Durable design. Precise cutting, every time. The SKIL PWR Core 12 Multi-Cutter, small tool, serious performance. This is the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. A complete, professional-grade solution for fast and accurate door hinge installation. Designed for DIYers and professionals, this dual clamping hinge jig lets you route clean, precise mortises from 2.5 to 4.5 inches with ease. The padded self-clamping design sets up quickly and protects the door surface, no screws, no nails, no damage. It's fully adjustable and works perfectly on standard doors that are 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 inches thick. You also get support for 1/4 inch, 5/8 and square corner mortises with no need for multiple inserts. The result? Consistent, clean, professional results every single time. The Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. Precision made simple. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchet lineup. Available in 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And they're built to redefine cordless fastening. Powered by a POWERSTATE brushless outer rotor motor. They deliver up to 70 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. And 400 RPM for fast, efficient work. Despite that power, they're ultra-compact. A slim 3/4 inch head profile. And a lightweight 1.5 pound body. Make tight spaces effortless. They're designed for all-day use too. The contoured grip reduces fatigue, while the modular trigger cap lets you customize control. Add in an integrated LED light, an optimized forward-reverse shuttle, and advanced electronics. And you get power, speed, and comfort without compromise. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Ratchets. Small size, serious performance. This is the PWR Core 20 Shear and Shrub 2-in-1 kit from SKIL. A compact but powerful solution for everyday garden care. It's designed for precise trimming, helping you shape small hedges with ease. And when the season ends, it makes cutting back hostas, decorative grasses, and perennials quick and effortless. Powered by Skill's PWR Core 20 battery technology. You get reliable cordless performance, long runtime, and consistent power from start to finish. The lightweight, ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, so you can work longer without discomfort. Blade changes are fast and simple. And the smooth operation delivers clean, accurate, professional-looking results. For home gardens and landscape projects, the PWR Core 20 Shear and Shrub 2-in-1 kit makes trimming easier, faster, and more precise. This is the Milescraft 1338 Lockmate Plus. A professional, self-clamping door lock installation kit built for fast, accurate, and damage-free results. It clamps securely to the door, no screws, no extra hardware, protecting the surface while ensuring perfect alignment. The kit includes 2 1/8 and 1 bimetal cobalt alloy hole saws, cutting easily through wood or metal doors, whether solid or hollow core. Metal-lined, step drill guide bushings prevent wear, improve accuracy, and extend the jig's life. It adjusts to fit 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 standard door thicknesses, and supports 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 backsets, making it compatible with most common locks. Ideal for professionals and DIYers who want clean, reliable door lock installations. The Milescraft 1338 Lockmate Plus. Precision, protection, and performance in one tool. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge 1/4 inch hex hydraulic driver. And it's built for high productivity without the noise. Thanks to the redesigned fluid drive hydraulic powertrain, it runs up to 50% quieter, with 3 times less vibration than a standard impact driver. That makes it perfect for occupied spaces and comfortable for all-day use. Power comes from a POWERSTATE brushless motor, delivering faster driving speeds and up to 1,000 inch-pounds of torque. RedLink Plus Intelligence manages heat and protects the tool during heavy workloads. The compact, shorter design improves access in tight spaces, while Tri-LED lighting keeps your work clearly visible. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Hydraulic Driver. Serious power, smooth performance, and a quieter job site. This is the Milescraft 8402 Angle Finder. A versatile layout and marking tool that makes angle work faster and more accurate on any job site or in the workshop. With retractable edge guides, it sets up quickly and stays stable on a variety of surfaces. It easily finds angles between 2 points on inside or outside corners, perfect for trim, framing, and finish work. Acting as an angle divider, it simplifies miter saw setup without any complicated calculations. Built-in notches hold bar clamps upright during framing tasks, making layout and assembly easier than ever. The angle finder also helps transfer and replicate marks and angles accurately, so your results stay consistent every time. The Milescraft 8402 Angle Finder. Smart, simple, and precise layout made easy. This is the PWR Core 20 Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool from SKIL. One tool, multiple jobs. It's built for cutting, sanding, scraping, and chipping, giving you precise control across a wide range of tasks. At the core is a brushless motor, delivering higher efficiency, longer tool life, and consistent power even under load. Powered by SKIL's PWR Core 20 lithium battery technology, it offers longer runtime and true cordless freedom, without sacrificing performance. The ergonomic design keeps things comfortable during extended use, while quick accessory changes mean less downtime and more progress. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this multi-tool delivers the flexibility, reliability, and power you need. The SKIL PWR Core 20 Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool. Built to handle it all. This is the SKIL 20V Brushless Compact Router Kit. Built for precision, control, and professional quality results. It's perfect for woodworking, shaving smooth edges on furniture, shelves, and cabinetry with clean, accurate cuts. Need detailed work? This compact router makes it easy to cut precise indentations, like creating space for a new door striker plate. At the core is a high-efficiency brushless motor, delivering consistent power, longer tool life, and improved runtime. The lightweight, ergonomic design keeps handling comfortable and controlled, even during detailed tasks. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this router adds versatility, accuracy, and reliability to any workshop. The SKIL 20V Brushless Compact Router Kit. Small tool, serious precision. This is the Milescraft 1344 Cabinet Pro. A professional-grade cabinet hardware installation jig built for speed, accuracy, and repeatable precision. With 100% metal construction, it eliminates flex and guesswork, giving you dependable results every time. Precision laser-etched imperial and metric scales make setup exact, while hardened steel drill guides adjust quickly for a wide range of hardware spacing. Designed for knobs, pulls, and handles, the Cabinet Pro uses dual edge stops to align perfectly on doors and drawers every single time. Its reversible design makes drilling left or right-hand doors effortless, no reconfiguration needed. It also supports 32mm cabinet shelf pin drilling. And the included extension ruler expands capacity up to 32 inches for larger doors and drawers. Everything stores neatly in the foam-lined case, ready for your next project. The Milescraft 1344 Cabinet Pro, precision, speed, and control, all in one. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender. And it's a first in the industry. It's the first cordless, portable conduit bender designed for commercial and industrial electricians. It bends up to 1-inch EMT and 3/4-inch RMC. Right at the installation point, eliminating setup time and extra handling. What makes it different is Auto Zero technology. It automatically senses 0 degrees on every bend, delivering consistent, accurate results, pipe after pipe. The ergonomic working height keeps layout marks clearly visible and reduces strain, requiring up to 10 times less lower back effort than hand bending. Powered by a POWERSTATE brushless motor, red lithium batteries, and RedLink Plus intelligence. It delivers all-day performance with up to 110 bends per charge. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit Bender. Precision, power, and productivity without the cord.